The fairest battle in pirating history. Right.
Why don't you stand right there, mate? I'll check for booby traps.
Booby traps? Isn't that a bit cliche?
Not at all, mate. After all, you're the boob, and here's the trap!
I'll forever bind me soul to me body.
Cheers for the help, mate! Couldn't have gotten through the cabins without you! Sorry, old chum. What could I say? I'm a pirate! But here's a little something to show that there's no hard feelings.
Ahoy there, me hearty! This be Cabin Slag, scourge of the galaxy, and... Dirty backstabber, no good, take a trade! Darkwater, ye got a lot of nerve possessing me. This be my body now! Watch your tongue, you mage-humoured putty snatcher, or I'll carve out your gizzard and fry it for me supper! Tough talk for a wee little phantasm. Oh, I'm a phantasm on account of you sticking this blade in me back, you miserable cheat!
All right, enough. I think you two could do as a good pillaging. Set course for Holafar, our island.